Hey fellow collectors, was just out and about this morning. Came across a little garage sale find of some Matchbox cars. Thought I'd share them all with you today. Let's see what we got here. The Premier Collection, Chevy van. Corvette T-top. 69 Camaro, pretty cool. There's a Camaro Z28. There's a 87 Corvette convertible. It's got some pretty cool tires on it. Sport Corvette. Pretty cool 57 Chevy. Retro 70. Pied Piper. Toyota Supra. An RX-7. Dodge Challenger, BMW Z3, pretty cool Mustang Cobra Jet, we got something called match caps here. Interesting. Looks like they're from the mid-90s. T-Bird Turbo Coupe. Another Mazda RX-7, pretty cool. Mercedes 500 SL. Air Ram Firebird. Mustang Cobra. Some world-class cards. Viper, Z28, Aston Martin DB7, it's pretty cool. It's a cool Z28. Mercedes, it's a Mitsubishi Spider, 57 T-Bird, there's a red Cobra Jet, Mustang Cobra convertible, pretty cool interior in that. Prowler. Viper. Pretty cool Dodge Challenger there. The Retros Dodge Dragster is pretty cool. Got a Viper GTS. It's like a little Beetle there, dragon wheels. Pretty cool. These should be available hopefully later this week in our store. So give us a look.